Introduction: tourism is one of the major contributors to a country's economy. However, many travelers still face challenges when planning their trips. Often, tourists do not know where to find authentic local food, hidden cultural spots, or trustworthy local guides. Some beautiful places are rarely visited simply because there is very little information available online. As a result, travelers end up with generic, less satisfying experiences that do not truly represent the local culture. At the same time, many local communities, especially in rural and cultural areas, lack proper digital platforms to promote their businesses or services. This limits their income and reduces cultural exchange opportunities. Although there are many travel websites, significant gaps still remain. First, travelers often miss out on authentic experiences because traditional tourism packages tend to be standardized and commercialized. Second, tourists struggle to find trusted and affordable local guides, leading to overpriced services that ruin the experience. Third, small local communities have limited digital visibility, meaning their cultural practices, unique products, or local food remain hidden. And lastly, travelers must search through multiple apps and websites for food, activities, accommodations, and culture, making trip planning inconvenient and time-consuming. These gaps show a clear need for a platform that connects travelers to genuine local experiences in a simple, organized way. Our solution is Local Connector, an app-based platform that redesigns how travelers discover and experience a destination. Local Connector connects tourists directly to verified local hosts who share information about local attractions, hidden gems, and affordable local cuisine. Unlike travel agencies, the app does not sell packages. Instead, it is an online guide that allows travelers to explore independently while still having access to accurate information. If a tourist needs additional support, the platform also provides contact details for verified local guides who can be booked directly. The goal is simple: to give travelers access to authentic cultural experiences while empowering local communities to share their traditions and earn income. Local Connector has strong commercialization potential because demand for cultural and experiential tourism is rapidly growing, especially among Gen Z and millennials who prefer authentic, local experiences over typical tourist hotspots. Additionally, there is a global movement towards community-based tourism, where travelers want to support local people and small businesses. By serving both tourists and local hosts, Local Connector fits perfectly into this growing market. What makes Local Connector unique is its focus on local hosts as the main service providers. This empowers rural communities who rarely have access to digital platforms. The platform prioritizes safety. Information uploaded by hosts is verified and filtered before being published, ensuring reliable and trustworthy content for travelers. Most importantly, the app creates a modern bridge between travelers and local business owners, making it easier than ever for visitors to find genuine local experiences. In conclusion, Local Connector is more than just a travel app. It fills major gaps in the tourism industry by promoting authentic cultural engagement, supporting small local communities, and making travel planning simple and meaningful. With its strong market potential and innovative features, Local Connector is positioned to become a transformative solution for the future of tourism.